Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Daniel over at Newport Cruisers Bike Shop. I was just going to show you a quick install on this rear rack basket on our Elux Malibu over here. So it's a pretty easy install. It's only got 4 bolts, mounts right onto the back of the bike right here. You only need one tool technically, a 4mm Allen wrench, and then I'm going to use this to cut the zip tie on the packaging in here. So I'm just going to cut this zip tie, get our little bracket out. Comes with all the hardware you need right here. And cut this little package open as well. All right. Comes with these 2 little mounting brackets. And then all the hardware. 4 bolts and some washers. So, here's the 2 brackets it comes with. And it comes with 4 of these bolts and 4 washers. You put the washer on the bolt, of course. And so you start with lining the basket up on the rear rack, and then you take the bracket, you slide it underneath the first rack here, take your bolt, put it through the top hole, give it a little hand thread it in just a little bit by hand. We're going to do the other one over here as well. So now the basket's on the bike, just the bolts are loose, and you can kind of just put it where you want it, get it nice and center, take your 4mm Allen wrench, and we just tighten them up. Alright, so now I like to just go around to each corner, make sure they're all nice and tight. You don't have to over tighten them, you just really want to make sure it's just nice and snug. So give it a little test, give it a little shake, feels nice and tight. Maybe tighten this one just a little bit more. Bam, there it is. Over here, got a couple cargo nets, bungee straps. There's all kinds of options, but this is our favorite option right here. Take it off the packaging here real quick. So this is a really cool feature for the rear rack basket because it's nice and shallow, nice and low. We like the low profile on the rear rack. And then you could stack as much stuff in here as you want when you have one of these cargo nets. And you could just take the net, kind of start at one corner. You could hook it to the rack or the basket, either way, whichever you prefer. I threw this one on the rack. I'm hooking it on the rack on the front, both sides. And you just, stretch it out over the basket. Hook it to the rack again. Bam, and there you have it. You have a rear rack, cargo net. You can put as much stuff in here as you want. Fits really good on these Eluxes. You can put it on pretty much any bike that has a rear rack. So if you need help or you want to come get one yourself, come on down to Newport Cruisers and we'll set you up.